Oh, hi John, it's Chris calling from. I've seen your ad on Gumtree for the Focus you've got for sale. Hey, Chris here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can buy and sell cars on the internet with no need to even drive the car or have a driving license, just simply looking in the right places, using your phone, making the calls, and putting deals together. This video is going to be a bit different from all the other stuff you see on YouTube because I'm not just going to tell you how to do it, I'm actually going to do it with you now live on the computer. I am sat here in my pajamas just to show you how you can actually do this and make money doing it. This is something that anyone can do because you don't even need a driving license since we're not even going to be driving the car anyway. So I call this method the Gumtree to Auto Trader method. What I've seen is a pattern of people putting cars on Gumtree for a very low price, cars that have been used a bit and for just a certain purpose, and they now no longer want the car and they just want a hassle-free sale to get it off their driveway and just get rid of it. But not all cars like that are complete rubbish. There are some decent cars around, and you can then go and list them on Auto Trader, just clean it up, take some photos, nice photos, list it on Auto Trader and make a profit. So you might be asking, well, how can I do it without even driving the car? And the way we're going to do that is search on Gumtree within 5 miles of your home address, find a car that's a good price that you can offer their full asking price without messing them about and trying to knock money off, that you can then list on Auto Trader after you've cleaned it up and sell it on to make a profit. This is so simple, you can even do it if you have zero money, because as in this video here that I'll put a link to up now, you can do something called match betting, and I've shown how you can do it on that video and start from zero and work your way up to £1,000 doing my strategy explained in that video. So if you're watching this video and you sat there thinking, I'd love to get into buying and selling cars, but I don't have any money, go and check out that video, do that, get up to your £1,000 profit, come back to this video, and then I'll show you exactly how you can make money buying and selling cars on the internet. Okay, let's jump on the laptop now then, and I'll show you a perfect car I've found that's a great candidate for what we're wanting to achieve here, which is make a profit of at least £100 for it to be worth us doing this. So going on to Gumtree then, I've put in Coventry and within 5 miles, because I'm on the north side of Coventry, and then I've put a maximum budget of £750 because we want cheap cars, remember. You also then want to make sure that the car you're looking at was only listed hours ago, not 30 days ago, because then more than likely it's probably sold already. So 13 hours ago this one was. We'll go ahead and click on it now. It's actually showing us 12 miles away, but we'll give it a click. So the seller's actually only put one photo on here, which is a good thing really, because it shows that they're really not bothered about selling it. They don't want to put any effort into it. They just want someone to come and give them the cash for it. We can scroll down, have a look at the car. It's a diesel, so people like diesels, you know, good on fuel. It's the 5-door gear, so higher spec, 4 brand new tires, new front brakes and a spring, that's great. Approximately 130,000 miles, 11 months MOT, a great reliable motor that's starting to show its age. Well, we don't mind if it's showing its age because, you know, older cars are going to. It's 19 years old, so of course it's going to show its age. The fact that he's put or nearest offer means he is of course open to offers, but the way we're going to secure this deal by him just delivering it to us so we don't even need to drive the car is actually offer the full asking price, which is not something people are used to getting. He'll be expecting people to call up and offer him 300 or maybe 250, and he's probably already had a few of those people already. So I'm going to give him a call now. You won't be able to hear what he's saying because I don't want to sort of say, oh, can I record your voice and all that and make it awkward. So I'll record me speaking to him, and this will show you exactly what you'd need to say to people in order for this to work. Oh, hi John, it's Chris calling from, I've seen your ad on Gumtree for the Focus you've got for sale. All right. Well, have they mentioned that they're wanting to knock you down on the price at all, or anything like that, or? Oh, right. Okay. Because I was actually going to say, because I would offer you 350 for the car, if this person does let you down, then the sort of proposition I'd have for you is if you could, if you had anyone that could follow you to drop the car off at my house. I'm only a few miles away from you. Then I'd just transfer you the full 350 over to you, and it'd just be a straightforward, no messing about sale, like. Yeah, okay, will do. Bye. Apparently, he's already got someone that has arranged to come and see the car at 4:30 today. I did ask about if they're going to knock him down on price, because people generally do, and that might give him some incentive to sell the car to me. This kind of shows that you have to be really quick with these, and it helps if you check Gumtree regularly, because 13 hours later, that means he listed it sort of obviously this time. We're now at midday, so he listed it at 11 o'clock last night. So really what I should have done was check first thing when I got up this morning, not just now, just check straight away. That's going to do it for this video. Be sure to tune in for part 2 of the video to see if John got back to me and I could actually secure the Focus and buy it, and if I'll be able to show you around the car, or if we'll be looking for another car. This is also going to be a series over on my car channel here on YouTube. So on Profit Boss channel, it's going to be about the making money side of it and how to do it. And over on my car channel, Crazy Speed it's called, I'll be documenting starting off with lower powered cars and then building my way up to 1,000 horsepower car eventually, and then give that car away to a random subscriber over on the Crazy Speed channel, completely free of charge, not selling any tickets for it, anything like that. I'll just be giving that car away. I hope you found this video helpful and you put the strategies into place yourself and start searching around on Gumtree and seeing if there's any deals out there that you can list on Auto Trader. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in part 2.